Very interesting recipe which you can make it at home very easily. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make banana chips and sweet potato chips at your home. So here I'm cutting the banana into thin slices. So with the I'm using the knife, guys. So it's very easy and you can cut it in the round shape. So I'm going to cut all the bananas. So here I cut the bananas into small round pieces, and I'm going to do this same thing to the sweet potato. And you have to remove the skin of the sweet potato, then you have to cut into small round shape like this. And here I cut the sweet potato into thin slices. So my chips is nicely done, guys, and it's time to remove from the oil. So can you see? Now I am adding the sweet potatoes. So you have to fry same as the banana. Even in my video, I put this recipe how to make sweet potato chips. Hey guys, for the garnishing, I added some chili powder in the top of the banana chips, and I'm going to add some salt, that is up to your taste. And yeah, and I'm going to mix. So my homemade banana chips is ready, and I'm going to add that sweet potato chips along with the banana. So I added the salt, the chili powder. Hey guys, can you see the color of the sweet potato chips? It changes. Wow, it's very nice. And my family, they tried the banana chips and it was very nice. Hey guys, it's time to remove from the oil. So my chips is ready. Can you see the color of the chips? So it's ready, guys. So I'm going to put this one. So can you see? And I'm going to sprinkle some salt and chili powder. So this is the quick video of how to make banana chips and sweet potato chips at your home. And I sprinkle some salt and chili powder, and I'm going to taste this one. Can you see the color, guys? It's very crisp also. So see you soon. Bye. And please subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.